again, here's an interesting article posted September the 6th, 2016, by John Binder. And it looks like what John did is he went back to the beginning of 2016 and he put together a whole series of videos on Hillary Rodham Clinton and her coughing fits, titled Hacking Hillary, a complete timeline of 2006 coughing fits. Well, it's probably not complete. It's only complete based on what we've been exposed to. We have no idea what happens when she's cuddled up next to Huma. Hillary Clinton goes through public coughing fits more than maybe any other politician in modern history. Below, the American Mirror has created a timeline of every one of Clinton's coughing fits this year. Again, every one that she's been in public. On January the 25th, 2016, during a speech at the Jewish Federation of Greater Des Moines, Hillary suffered a coughing fit as she immediately grabbed a glass of water and pulled out a cough drop. Hillary asked that someone else speak to the crowd while she was trying to get the coughing under control. You'll see a video to that effect. On February the 16th, 2016, Hillary was given a speech to the Schomburg Center for Research in Black Culture in New York, where she suffered one of her more severe coughing fits to date. The speech had to be stopped as she grabbed for water and a cough drop. Her voice dramatically deepened and she continued coughing throughout the speech afterwards. Again, there's a video. On April the 4th, 2016, while Hillary was doing a radio interview, the former Secretary of State began drinking water when she realized a coughing fit was coming on. After Hillary coughed a couple of times, she blamed the issue on allergy season. Well, at least she didn't blame Donald this time. Hillary also said, "My voice is failing," before coughing once again. Her coughing began at the 21:15 into the interview. This is at the Breakfast Club. Again, there's a video attached. On May the 6th, 2016, during a campaign rally speech in California, Hillary went into another coughing fit. The speech was interrupted periodically by Hillary's coughing. Hillary has another coughing fit. The video is attached. This is on June the 4th, 2016. Clinton was listening during a roundtable discussion when she began hacking uncontrollably. She motioned for an aide and drank about a half a glass of water to soothe her throat. Maybe she's got a Huma hairball. Huh? Could that be it? Hillary Clinton's coughing fit has returned. On August 31st, 2016, Hillary was speaking to the American Legion when she appeared to be fighting back a cough by chewing on an apparent cough drop that lodged in her mouth. Then Hillary can be heard actually biting down on a supposed cough drop. C-SPAN and PBS both picked up the sound in their audio recording of the speech. Again, video attached. On September 5th, 2016, Hillary suffered a massive coughing fit during a campaign event in Cleveland, Ohio. Hillary began speaking and within minutes started coughing, prompting her to quickly grab the water at the podium. However, the water did not help much, and that's when she pulled out a cough drop as she repeatedly patted her chest. Like the water, the cough drop barely stopped the coughing as it continued throughout the speech. On September 5th, 2016, just hours after giving the coughing-induced campaign speech in Cleveland, Ohio, Hillary was asking questions from reporters when she suffered a severe coughing attack. The coughing forced her to walk into the front of the plane after being given water to calm the episode down. Again, the video's attached. Okay, so you can see a pattern here, and she's getting progressively worse. So who in their right mind would consider this walking dead to be a presidential candidate? I mean, any Democrat that votes for this woman is insane. But then to be a Democrat, you have to be somewhat insane. You sort of know what I think. Watch the videos. Listen to her hack. It's not getting any better, folks. She won't make it to the finish line. I don't even see her making a debate. Do you?